Alright, basically what you want to do is go file open, and you open that file. You guys probably have it on the L drive. I'm going to have it on my flash drive, so I need to open that. It's going to be called oakton download. This is exactly what Illustrator will save into DWG. So this will come up. Yes, you want to continue with opening DWG file. That comes up with the license. We'll have something like this. The problem with Illustrator, it creates double layers or double lines on the item. So we have to clean this up a little bit. What we need to do first is explode it because it's one block. You can see that. So we go to modify, explode, and explodes it into little pieces. Then we take off the shaded material and we delete it out. So you just select all those. Be careful not to pick the lines with the shaded parts, like so. And if you did select too many, just hold shift and it'll deselect the item. So it's gonna clean it up a little bit like that. So that's your first step. Your second step will be to remove the double layers. First, we'll remove the box, which you can see the text here, here, and here, here, and here is being selected. That's right. So I'm gonna explode that. Delete that. And I have to go around and delete the double layers. You won't be able to see them, but there's actually double layers in many of the parts. This one didn't have it because I just deleted it once. I'll show it to you again. Let's see if I can undo. So when I selected this, that double layer that was created here, and here, and here, and here, it's going to be removed. But this piece has a double layers. If I select it and delete it, it's still there. Same as this one. And many of the other parts. So you have to keep on deleting until just one layer is left. Like that one was only one layer, so I have to go undo. This helps clean the design. It's not going to cause problems later on when we do some extrusions or press pulling. And don't forget the inner circles of the letters or text. It's going to look exactly the same, but the layers will not be doubled. Some of them you can tell, some of you can't really tell if there's double layers. So keep in order and then it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, so what we want to do is select the whole object, like so. Do a control copy, which is control C, or you can right click and go to, where's copy? Okay, copy selection, yeah. Actually, yeah. And then go to your template file, which has your template, and you're going to paste it in here. Now if you paste it and you click somewhere, it might be out of the screen, so if you zoom extent, which is Z enter, E enter, it'll come up to view. One thing we have to do with this file is we need to scale it down, because right now it's huge. I can tell you that by easily moving my mouse around and seeing the coordinate system change the distance. You can see that's a lot. So if the other way is if you go to annotate and do dimension, and you just do any dimension just for reference, you'll see how far it is. It's 687 inches pretty much, since I'm drawing in inches. So what we want to do is we want to scale this down a lot. We're going to scale it to 2%. To do that, we go to our Home tab, we go to Scale, we select the object, the entire object, like so, click enter or space or right click. Select a point. I usually keep it close to the XY. And from here, and I'm going to type in 0.02. That would create a 2% size of this image. So 0.02, and I click enter. You can see it got shrunk really small. The next step would be actually to move it closer to the zero axis. So just to do that, an easy way to do that would be drawing a line, typing in 0, 0. That gives you the reference point of 0, 0, X and Y. And you're going to move the object using a snap. Make sure your snap is on. You're going to move it from one of these points to 0/0. And we'll keep it there for now. So that's that first part of this.